Alright, so 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. You're not getting a.
Alright, what's going on, gamers? It's Despacito Boyo here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to blur out certain objects. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is upload a piece of media. So, we're going to go up here, import video. My file is in downloads, pretty sure. There it is right there, and you want to change the frame rate when it asks you this, because the default frame rate is 30, and if your video has 60 or more, then you want to change it, so make sure you hit change. Okay, so we got our video. Let's drag and drop. And yeah, here we have it right here. Now, so one of the ways to blur anything on the screen is obviously to use an effect, but it'll block out the entire screen, which is not what we want. So what we are going to do is we're going to the color tab, and you want to open up this window right here with the circle. Now you've got various shapes to play around with, but what I would recommend is this tool right here, this pen tool, because you can click points and yeah. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag to the point where I want the blur, which is right here. So we're gonna split the frame here, and that's where it's gonna go. Make sure to highlight the clip that you want the effect to be in, go to the color tab, and start clicking away. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the tracker tab. You're going to hit play, and it'll do all of the tracking for you automatically, which is exactly what we want. Perfect. So now we are going to the blur tab. We can increase the radius, HV ratio, and scaling. I guess don't worry about that. But you got these two, and yeah. So here's what the final product is going to look like.
Alright, so 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. You're not getting a.
And there you are, my friends. That is how you blur a specific object within frame. I hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. See ya.